Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to access Gemini on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So here is my watch, Galaxy Watch 8, and if you want to access Gemini, if you push it long on the power button, as you can see, Bixby appears. But instead of Bixby, if you want to use Gemini, you can do it. For that, just go to all apps and here tap on settings. Here scroll down and go to buttons and gestures. And here we have home button, and we have two options, double press and long press. And here, as you can see, we have Bixby at long press, but you can change it with power off menu or digital assistant Gemini. Okay, and now if you select Gemini and exit, if you push and hold on the power button, as you can see, Gemini appears, and here just tap get started. And you need to continue on your phone for setup. And on your phone, just tap more, next, and now connected. You can go hands-free with Hey Google, and here just tap agree, and here you can activate a voice match for Hey Google if you want. Tap agree, and that's all. And now let's press again on the power button, and now you can ask Gemini, hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
So as you can see, it's working. So it's not so hard, and please let me in the comment area how it's working for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.